So what 2025 BCE bia, there is this one question I also be sound say subject and I say course be and episode koyen SHSI. If you say when you say passing your exams a one thing, and then also choosing your school is also a different thing on its own, because the computerized school selection and placement system so and also you are the forefront on its own. First nanka obe choose answer na watch but sia no otro wi answer na why then what choose enti obe tro exams no, I mean the BECE, when you write and you finish writing the BECE, you get to know so, okay, you performed very well. And I say why did now no BECE answer sheet no so no obo homody one more homody no so ejina so area choose school a opesa woko. I think that is the main reason why ntia omotibi and say okay afi the trowie na trowie a obo choose schools a opesa woko. Now I wanted to make this small video and as a this short video to notify you guys that if you are thinking of how to pass your BECE, also think of your computerized school selection and placement system. I know that next month is the month that you guys are going to write your BECE, and then some of you are panicking. But what I have to say is that just be patient, be bold, and then keep learning. Because for me, when I was writing my NAP test, it took me 1 week to start learning, and then within that one week, I was able to make changes. And by the grace of God, whatever I learned throughout the week, it came in the exams, I mean the mathematics. So I was able to pass my maths by the grace of God, and I really thank God for that. But what I have to say is that learn kakra apoba or the no jot na kakra that just say why they work with him sana adenete. But you cannot tell me they say you will not learn but you want to pass, and even after passing you are going to choose your schools. I mean your SHS you are going to choose no who say which school is the best school for you. I'll make a different video on its own, a separate video on its own, explaining the top schools abobwa ubia in the course subject, and I say ubia in the course of SHS no. The schools a bit more ball, schools a what's equipment, schools are a bit a guide through whatever you want to become in the future. No, I'll make a video about that and then post it on our new platform, that is the Sticky the Superstars page. And then also money be no idea but today I'm just giving you a notification say think of the computerized school selection and placement system and also at the forefront on its own. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. If you haven't subscribed to our page, that is our educational content page, and on a Sticky the Superstar, go make fast and go and follow to that page. Go and follow that page and go and follow too. I'm finally out.